All right, here's a shoe box that I bought my daughter some shoes, and more likely she will keep her shoes in this box. So I decided to kick it up a notch. So I made her this, a big, gigantic Nike storage shoe box for her birthday. I tried to make it as the same as the regular shoe box, but only bigger. And on the side, I made her a special label. Michelle Nike Shoebox, the fine print right there. All right. And I even made the barcode her birthday. And this is the date that I gave it to her on. And let's open the shoebox. It holds, instead of just one pair, which a small shoebox will hold, this will hold 8 pairs at the top. And then this right here slides out and it will hold 8 more at the bottom. I put the shoes in there so you can see, the width and the depth of it. So I'll just close it back up.